Hi, I'm Rupkotha. I'm a 2017 pass out. Currently, I'm working in TCS. I have spent 4 wonderful years in the Department of AEI of RCCIT. When I first stepped into college, everything was new. The entire environment, the teachers, the fellow classmates, the subjects. But gradually, after interacting, I have made great friends. The teachers were also very supportive and helpful. Whenever we had any kind of issue, we have always approached them directly and they have helped us. During the time of our placements also, they were there beside us. They were constantly encouraging us. In the first year, we were taught subjects like the basics of electronics, basics of electrical, C language, which later helped us during the time of our placement. In the later years, we were taught the basic core subjects like microprocessor, plant automation, DSP, etc., which gave us an idea about how the code industry works. So overall, I can say that in this department, I got to know about the basics of the programming language in the form of C, as well as about how the code industry works and how the plants work. I can just sum up and say that I'm very thankful for these 4 years, and I have not only gained knowledge, I have also gained a perspective which I still carry with me, and I hope that this will be helpful for me in the upcoming stages of my life as well.
Hi, I'm Udalok Chatterjee and I'm presently working in Skillobytes. I did my engineering from RCCIT during the year 2013 to 17, and for me, BTech at RCCIT was just more than mere engineering where you do projects, you do experiments, you submit reports. It was a journey where we had a cohesive integration of our knowledge, skills, and our interview preparation, which has made me and prepared me for a good career and a good life ahead. Presently, when I'm working at Skillobytes, I feel that am more confident than my colleagues, only because the homework and groundwork which was done in RCCIT has made me more resilient, more confident, and a better person, so to say, in life, with a wonderful bunch of professors whose skills, whose knowledge, and whose experience shared together collectively have helped me in cracking interviews, in making a good name for myself, and in having a very clear vision about my target and road ahead. So I am very thankful to RCCIT AEI department and the entire college as a whole, to my colleagues and friends, for the wonderful journey that we spent together, and we lived a wonderful time. I feel proud as an RCCIT alumni.
Hi, this is Shubhadeep Banerjee, a 2015 pass out from AEI department, and I am currently working as an Oracle Business Intelligence developer in Infosys, working for a banking client in Australia. My learning experience at RCCIT was a great one with excellent infrastructure and faculties, and that has helped in the growth of my career, and wish you all the very best for your future.